Right, folks, so Andrea Wright is the total opposite of the character Delcita, whom she has made popular in theatre. This morning we find out how she manages both worlds. She's a guidance counselor and she's an actress. Hey Andrea, how are you? Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Thank you, I'm great. Good morning.
Yeah man, where did this start with you? I know you are a guidance counselor now. What about the theatre world? Where did that start with you?
Started from a barn.
Explain.
A barn, I scream, I make noise and talk bad and all them things there. In high school, I was known for singing, and then afterwards, the acting part come in. Because in church, we would have gotten scripts to perform. And me always I get Mary to play. I don't know what make I never love play Mary because Mary after pregnant. I love the pregnant part. So to answer the question, yeah, me starting at church.
And where did Delcita come from?
Delcita, actually, I got that name in a script, right? And because I used to play Pumpkin before, and Pumpkin was also a country girl. When Paul Beale, the late Paul Beale, gave me the script with a Delcita in it, I said, Delcita is also country. So I have to find a way to make Delcita look different from Pumpkin. So I decided to black up my face and rotten up my teeth, the two front teeth, and that is it, And then remember, when they are country, when the people would come by the house, how them talk, Mr. Wright, did they tell him that my mother said I say he wanted to sign one document for me. So I went straight into the patois, the real rustic, way back a bush patois, that deep one there. Yeah, that one that they call up for.
You don't do the black face anymore. Why?
For one thing, it used to affect my face. It used to stain my face terribly. And I did it, as I said, as a line of demarcation between Pumpkin and Delcita. So I decided to say, we don't need to do this anymore. I can play the character without the black face, A lot of people have been begging back for it, but all things considered with history and the whole black face thing, and people get heart raised when they see it and all them something there, it would never come back. I would never come back with it, except it's for display.
Okay. I know you're a guidance counselor. I said that earlier. You're still at Charlie Mount, right?
Yes, I'm at Charlie Mount High. Good morning, everybody in the Linstead area. Good morning, Mr. Gale and staff.
Yep, Mr. Garth Gale, my very good friend, was actually the sports master at St. George's College. Do they take you seriously, though?
Yeah, man, them take me serious, man. Hey, me when I'm more serious person, I grew with my grandparents, so when they're serious, they're serious. I remember when I was at Very Technical High back in 2015, when I just got there, I was in my office. And I remember we are located to the back of the school, right? And I hear one boy come down the long corridor. Me hear when he said, me hear say Delcita they are. And me only hear Mr. Me hear the boy a road a come. And by the where office is a container office, right? And he couldn't navigate the corner. Me only hear when he land up in a container, boop.
Wow. How difficult is...
He finally made it in, gasping in the office. And I spoke to him and he couldn't believe me look. So yeah, I said, yeah, my man good looking. So I started said, yes, devil.
How difficult is that for you, though? Because I suspect anyone wants to see the guidance counselor, it would be like serious business. Someone would want you to mentor them and stuff. How difficult is it for you to get into that serious space?
Good morning, educators. It's not difficult. However, there are persons in the profession who wonder. And many persons who have never seen, it's like getting money from Bellevue to come counseling, So many persons who have never seen a Delcita in her professional space as a guidance counselor, when they hear someone come out of them school, them a turn up them nose and all them things there. But then when they start to get the testimonies from the students, that how good I am, then them themselves start to come and them start to make referrals. So we don't worry about it. I know it's always a shake hand process where people are wonder, is this a dream? Is real? Then people are really interviewed a woman and put her in high school. But
yeah.
Eventually they are convinced that I do a very good job. Me don't worry about it, never.
Fantastic. Tell me about theatre now, because I know you guys been shut down for a while. What happens now? How soon will you be back up and running again?
Well, that depends on the cultural ministry. Ask them. That it depends on the PM. Ask him what is happening, because people want entertainment out there. But happy for me, on Father's Day, I was given a massive project to do an online pay-per-view show. Father says it best, Jamaica Online TV, were the hosts, and it was good. Well, in the sense that Delcita popped down the people their website. Yeah, the website popped down. Thousands of people are trying to log on, and it just broke down so. But as of the Sunday night, persons were able to log on back and watch them show all over. People from all over the place. Qatar, US, Canada, England, everywhere. You know, and that for me was great.
All right, we were struck.
I don't know what's going to happen to theatre doing on Neville, but let's see. We might have to start about drive-in theatre.
Oh, maybe. Who knows? Maybe that was good for me as a long-time person.
And you did go on with anything?
I tell you off here. Empress and I were struggling to come up with a nice, decent early morning television joke.
Right.
Before you go, give us one, please.
Cheese and peace. I will never prepare me for this. I want this upon my father. All right. Let me see if we can find it quick. One time, yes. My granny left me. My granny a country. Sweep broom, yard with broom and all them something. And she a Higla market and she left me to sweep the yard. And play dolly all day. I never sweep the yard also. So by the time now, when night I come, I realize the Lord Jesus, we don't sweep the yard, we don't wash our socks, nothing, no do. So a drum water we used to use, so me empty whole I drum them in a yard, I went up the yard. And then when she said, they you sweep the yard? Me said, no man, rainy fall. So she looked at me and she said, you mean to tell me, say, God left everybody yard and fall rain after me one yard. and then, of course, our socks when she give it for wash, it never dry neither. And she lied up on the bed in the night and say, put on the socks for my foot, girl, me go feed their husband. I used to let me put on the wet socks for her foot. She said, Jesus Christ, nearly you're bowing at me eye with her fat foot there. I know me eye dash. Lightning up out of me eye to know. See that?
Good enough. We can live with that one. We
well
can live
done,
with that one.
on the spot.
Good enough. So thank you so much. Stay safe. And I pray that theatre will start pretty soon, because I know a lot of people.
Thank you so much to all my Facebook fans. Love no more. Everybody be love no more. Delcita this. Yay!
Thanks, Delcita.
Andrea Delcita Coldwater. She's Andrea Wright, actress, and as you heard, guidance counselor over at Charlie Mount High.
Woo-hoo!
Yeah, you can give a joke now?
Yeah, I have a joke now.
Cheers.
What do you call
Is
a
a
bee?
joke or a riddle? That's a riddle.
It's a joke.
All right, go on with the joke. What do you call?
What do you call a bee from America?
Like a bee?
A bee from America.
Our United States bees.
A USB. Yeah, that's good. Thanks, Janet, for that one.
We never see that, so that is so funny.
All right, I have another one.
Okay, she have another one. Yeah, thank you. Have another one.
Where police says, where do you live? Me, the child, with my parents. Then police says, where do your parents live? And the child says, with me. The police says, where do you all live? And I said, together. Police said, well, where is your house? And I said, next to my neighbor's house. The police said, well, where's your neighbor's house? I then say, you won't believe me if I tell you. The police said, tell me. And then the kid, me, says, next to my house.
Thank you all for watching. I'll be here tomorrow with Delia. We start at 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock.
No, I have one more.
We start at 6 o'clock. Oh, she have one more.
One more. So I was in Guyana and a friend just sent me this, right? And my friend in Guyana said, Empress, here's the joke. So the joke is me in a wheelchair. I will tell you, it was the funniest thing. I was in Guyana and we were traveling back. I was so tired the next morning because we all were up late and I didn't feel like going through the long line. So I just sit down in the wheelchair. All of a sudden, the lady come and start push me through. I'm going to pass everybody right through to Jamaica into the wheelchair. And I look on everybody like, I mean, I go on like, you know, I just like...
On an ordinary day. Let me hold you